Maggie is getting an ear wash because she's got a lot of scratching going on. She does not like it. And if it's typical Maggie, when we're done, she's going to go and do the Zoomies. Although in a travel trailer, that might be kind of hard to do. You can see she does not like having her ears cleaned out. We're using the stuff that the vet has told us to use on her. This stuff here, which you can get at Petsmart. And this is what she does every time she gets her ears cleaned out. She is not one bit happy with us. What's the matter, Mag? You don't like having your ears cleaned? And then you're gonna get a bath and you're gonna be really unhappy. What's the matter? Did you get a bath? Did you get a bath after your ear wash? Oh, you poor thing. You hate baths. You like your pool, but you don't like baths in them. Oh, now you're going to do some more Zoomies? Don't like baths, huh? I'm sorry, but you had to have an ear wash first, and then you have to have a bath. Yes, it's breakfast time. Should feel good. It's going to be 90 degrees out there. You normally get in your pool anyway. Why not a bath in your pool?
Okay, so I just came back from a week at the pet sitter, and yeah, I'm a little bit dirty. That's because we were out in the yard playing, and it was lots of fun. And okay, my ears were dirty. And okay, I was scratching my ears this morning and shaking my head like dogs do when their ears itch. But it's just dirt. And the human came after me. He came after me with the soap and the ear cleaner. And then we went outside, and there was the garden hose and the pool. And not only did I get my ears cleaned out, but then I got a bath. And not the little bath, the big bath. With the hose and scrubbing. And this is not fair. I'm a dog, for goodness sake. We are bred to be dirty.